Good morning, students. Last class here journey already started. We are all journeying. Here one thing I am going to say, children. Everyone should do. That is our work. Everyone. Here is there. So it is a regular process. Life is a regular process. Even we are doing so many tasks in our life. Here journey. It is very important in our life. Here the narrator and his father. You know, narrator is being an educated person. He is doing a government job. And his father and illiterate, hard worker. But here problem is carrying luggage. Carrying luggage a problem. Before that, many villages are there. Anybody found that is carrying the luggage to the bus station. But at present, no one was there because they are engaging in different works. Time here is bringing so many changes in our lives. In our lives, just like as you know, this COVID season, that is here Corona, it brings so many changes in our lives at present. Everyone should be changed. Everyone should be reacted. Everyone should be responded as per our circumstances. Okay, children, you know one thing, you are studying 10th standard. You must be very careful about your studies. Okay, now come to the lesson, 82 page, last paragraph. Here is, I gave him the can of wine, he poured himself a mug and handed me the can. He drank all of it one go. He then arranged the bell and that was attached to the trunk carefully on his forehead. So this was the picture, my father carrying my luggage on his back and me following him with a tiny bag in my hand. Then Albert took a small bag in his hand and here his father carrying a heavy load trunk over his head. So his father was in front of him. He followed his father. His father was carrying luggage. So that he followed his father. We were walking up a narrow hilly road. As you know, already last class I described how the road is going on. Hilly road, and neither of us uttered a word as if we were strangers who spoke different languages. I already explained. Foreigners, that is Tamil or Hindi or English and Urdu. That is Telugu and Malayalam people are there, different languages. That is they are going to what? That they didn't speak each other. They didn't interact each other because their languages are different. Like here, father and child, here, son. But they should never exchange anything here. They should never exchange. They should never talk to anyone else anything about regarding. This is very important here. We have, that is, to develop human relations. We have to interact with someone else here whenever we need. But some people they interact only when they want only, when they need only. But after their needs fulfilled, they far away. They won't see them, they are far away. This is not correct, children. So we should maintain certain human relations in our society. Being a man, being citizen, being a person, it is completely, we are all get together in the society. We are all from the society. You should provide everything by the society, from the society. మనమందరం సమాజంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళమే. మనమంతా కూడా సత్సంబంధాలు, మానవ సంబంధాలు కలిగి ఉన్న అందరితో కూడా. అట్లా రిలేషన్స్ కనుక లేకపోతే ఇన్ ఫ్యూచర్ we have been facing this kind of problems by next 5 years. ఇటువంటి కంటే ఇంకా భయంకరమైనది fearful, dreadful situations, dreadful circumstances we will have faced. We will have faced by next 5 years. వచ్చే ఇటువంటి 5 years లో ఇటువంటి ఈ కరోనా ఈ ఎఫెక్ట్స్ కంటే డ్రెడ్ఫుల్ డిసీజ్, డ్రెడ్ఫుల్ వైరసెస్ అనేవి నెక్స్ట్ 10 years 5 years ఇంకా రాబోతూ ఉంటాయి. వాటన్నిటికీ మనం రెడీ అవ్వాలంటే we have to maintain good relations. We have to maintain good relations. ఇక్కడ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ సొసైటీలో మనం చూస్తున్నాం. Here during this COVID season, rich people they helped poor and needy people whenever and wherever. Whenever and wherever. So because of your kind-heartedness, humanity, kind-heartedness. So okay children, iddaru father son iddaru they are walking, but they didn't talk to each other. How the situation is going on, children? Next, from time to time it crossed in my mind that it was improper for me to let father carry the luggage. Improper, not proper, not right. Then after thinking, he was thinking it was not proper, it was not right. Carrying my luggage by my father is not proper. What is here improper? It was, the improper is here carrying luggage by his father. It is not correct. వాళ్ళ నాన్నగారి లగేజ్ అతను మోస్తే బాగుంది అనుకోవచ్చు. తన లగేజ్, narrator's luggage carried by his father, this is not right. He thought that, the narrator thought that. I wanted to tell him that I would like to carry that trunk myself, but my guilt and shame did not allow me to do so. Okay, if I carried my luggage, my guilt feeling, shy, that is, he felt, that is, tanu feel avutunnadu, shy feel avutunnadu because of his education, because of his status, job, tana social status, tanu feel avutunnadu, tane guilt feel avutunnadu. Did not allow me to do so. What did not allow me here? That is his education, his social status. This self-consciousness had probably to do with my education. Here, children, self-conscious means feelings of nervousness about what other people think of you. ఇతరులు నీ గురించి ఏమి ఆలోచిస్తున్నారు, ఏమనుకుంటున్నారు అనేది అది కొంచెం సెల్ఫ్ కాన్షియస్నెస్ కిందకి వచ్చేస్తుంది. అయ్యో నేను నా లగేజ్ని మా నాన్నగారు చేత మోపిస్తున్నాను, మా నాన్నగారికి తీసుకెళ్తున్నారు ఈ లగేజీ, మిగిలిన వాళ్ళందరూ, చుట్టుపక్కల వాళ్ళందరూ, సమాజంలో వాళ్ళందరూ ఏమనుకుంటారు నా గురించి. అరే నువ్వు ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీవి, నువ్వు ఒక హోదాలో ఉండి ఈ పని ఇట్లా చేస్తున్నావేంట్రా అని వాళ్ళు ఏమైనా అనుకుంటారో అని తను ఫీల్ అవుతున్నాడు. దట్ ఈస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ పాయింట్. Here, the self-consciousness had probably to do with my education. Because of his education, the white collar job, because here is government job, white collar job, then status. Next, then education that I had. That is, what is here? The self-conscious ki reasons enti ikkada? Two reasons. He had a white collar job and his education. I had, or quite simply, my pride, కొంచెం గర్వం. నేను ఇంత సాధించాను, బాగా చదువుకున్నాను, బాగా మంచి ఉద్యోగం చేస్తున్నాను అన్నటువంటి హోదా, ఇవన్నీ ఇంత గర్వంతో ఉన్నాను కదా. అరే వాడు చూడు లగేజీ వాళ్ళ ఫాదర్తో క్యారీ చేపిస్తున్నాడు రా, గవర్నమెంట్ ఎంప్లాయీ, బాగా చదువుకున్నవాడు అని అవహేళన చేస్తారేమో అన్నటువంటి ఫీలింగ్ తనలో కూడా ఉంది. దట్ ఈస్ somehow I had the feeling that if I carry the luggage, my father and my people, in fact the whole world would laugh at me. Of course, if I carried the luggage, what thing? My father and my people, in fact the whole world would laugh at me. మా నాన్నగారే కాదు, reminding all people in the society, all there, that is there, they laugh. This kind of situation, నేను కనుక క్యారీ చేస్తే అందరూ నన్ను చూసి నవ్వుతారు. I would belittle is unimportant, పెద్ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏం కాదు నాకు విషయం. నేను లగేజ్ మోయడం పెద్ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఏం కాదు. క్యారింగ్ లగేజ్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్ థింగ్, బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ ఏ యంగ్ మ్యాన్, ఐ వాంట్ టు క్యారీ ఎనీ లగేజ్, ఐ హ్యావ్ స్ట్రాంగ్ ఇనఫ్. దట్ ఈస్ నెక్స్ట్ పారాగ్రాఫ్ చిల్డ్రన్, పేజ్ 83. Father had provided for my education. Children, underline this sentence. This sentence will ask, possible to ask in public examination or any examination, change into passive voice. Transformation sentences. Father had provided for my education. My education had been provided by my father. anyone in the society, children, anyone in the society, father provided education. Because I am standing in front of you, I am explaining in front of this lesson. Because of my parents, I proudly to say, they provided for my education. They provided education for me. So that is I learned. Then I say, my parents, my father, my mother, నాకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేశారు ఎడ్యుకేషన్ కాబట్టి నేను ఒక దాంట్లో ఉండి నీకు టీచ్ చేస్తున్నాను. సో హియర్ చిల్డ్రన్, ఎనీ ఫాదర్ ప్రొవైడెడ్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ టు దేర్ చిల్డ్రన్. డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాదర్స్ అందరూ కూడా అక్కడ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారు చైల్డ్హుడ్ డేస్లో. బట్ చిల్డ్రన్, యూ షుడ్ లిసన్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ వర్డ్స్. యూ షుడ్ ఫాలో యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ అండ్ టీచర్స్ వర్డ్స్ స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ. And then your life, your bright future, very nice, no doubt, not at all. Here the narrator's father provided education during his childhood days, and had been able to realize his dreams. I mean, a narrator, he thought that he had been able to realize his dreams. Children, you should realize your dreams, because of not your dreams, your parents' dreams, your parents' dream. మిమ్మల్ని మీ పేరెంట్స్ నీకు మంచి ఎడ్యుకేషన్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేయించి, అరే మంచి జాబ్, మంచి పొజిషన్ ఉండాలని ఆశిస్తుంటుంది పేరెంట్స్ హోప్ దట్ లైక్ దట్. బట్ యూ షుడ్ డూ లైక్ దిస్. యూ ఫుల్ఫిల్ యువర్ పేరెంట్స్ డిజైర్స్. నాట్ ఓన్లీ యూ, మీకే కాదు, మీ కళను మీరు ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయగలిగితే, సహకారం చేస్తే మీకే కాదు మీ పేరెంట్స్ కూడా చాలా హ్యాపీ ఫీల్ అవుతారు. సో ద narrators had been to realize his డ్రీమ్స్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ హిస్ డ్రీమ్స్, హిస్ పేరెంట్స్ డ్రీమ్స్. ఇక్కడ నేరేటర్ తన పేరెంట్స్ అనుకున్న డ్రీమ్స్, తనతో పాటు తన పేరెంట్స్ అనుకున్న డ్రీమ్స్ని ఫుల్ఫిల్ చేయగలిగారు. మై పేరెంట్స్ వర్ ట్రూలీ ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ మీ. హిస్ పేరెంట్స్ మీన్స్ నేరేటర్స్ పేరెంట్స్, దే ప్రౌడ్ బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దేర్ సన్ గాట్ గుడ్ జాబ్, సెటిల్ గుడ్ లైఫ్. It was through me that they had earned a greater degree of admiration and respect from the villagers. Before that, the narrator's father, he is an illiterate. His mother is an illiterate. But when that is his narrator's parents provided education, then he is settled in a good position. He is a government employee. So then here the social status of the narrator's family entirely changed. Before that, villagers called Ramaya, Venkaya, that is. But after that, Ramu, Venkaya is there, Venkatrao garu. Ramaya is not there, Ramarao garu. Hey Ramaya, villagers addressing, villagers calling. But now after, because villagers given great admiration and respect to them because of sons education, because of sons social status. వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి బాగా చదువుకున్నాడు, ఒక మంచి జాబ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. అంతకుముందు వరకు వెంకయ్య అనేవాళ్ళు, ఏంటయ్యా వెంకయ్య ఏం చేస్తున్నావు, ఏంటి మీ అబ్బాయి ఏంటి అనేవాళ్ళు. వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి మంచి పొజిషన్లోకి వచ్చి మంచి ర్యాంక్లో ఉన్నాడు, సొసైటీలో మంచి జాబ్ హోదాలో ఉన్నాడు. వెంకటరావు గారు ఏం చేస్తున్నారండి, అప్పుడు ఉన్నటువంటి వెంకయ్య అనేటువంటి వారు, అతను పూర్తి పేరు వెంకటరావు గారితో వస్తుంది. అరే వెంకీ అనేటువంటి పర్సన్ వెంకటరావు గారు ఏం చేస్తున్నారండి, చేంజ్, అడ్రసింగ్ చేంజ్, సోషల్ స్టేటస్ చేంజ్ బిహైండ్ హిస్ సన్స్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్. సో చిల్డ్రన్, హియర్ ఎడ్యుకేషన్ షుడ్ చేంజ్ ఎంటైర్ ద సొసైటీ, నాట్ ఓన్లీ సొసైటీ బట్ అవర్ లైఫ్స్. Here, narrators changed his family, entirely his family members' social status. Now, my father would not like to see me carrying a trunk on my back and would be very hurt if I did so. His father, narrator's father, did not like to carry the luggage. Narrator's father ki ishtam ledu వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయి లగేజ్ మోసుకు వెళ్ళటం అని, ఎందుకంటే జాబ్. So he should give respect to job. Then, but if he did so like that, his father did not like that. Went to luggage mostly, name mostly luggage nu kaadu. That is, here father, my father would not like to see me carrying a trunk on my back and would be very hurt if I did So, okay, children, I stopped in the middle of the paragraph and remaining I shall continue. Okay, children, I told many times only one thing, you are in 10th standard. You should take your textbook after my explanation, then you should revise the lesson what I explained in front of you. So note down the meanings and understand everything is there. Okay, but thing here is your examinations will definitely conducted. No doubt, not at all, children. Don't be think otherwise. You should take very serious because you are in 10th standard. After completion of this unit, I shall explain to grammar. Okay, thank you, children.